How to edit text in Capcut template. First of all, head over to your application Capcut. Head over to the section of templates and then move into the templates that you want to edit the text. So once you are on your templates, right here you'll get to see the option of text. Tap on it. Right here it will show you all the text that is available on this template. Tap on the text that you want to edit. Tap on edit. Now you can simply delete this text and enter the new one. So once you have erased the text, you can simply enter whatever text that you want and you'll be good to go. Now just tap on this tick icon. So there you can see that the text has been edited successfully. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to edit text in Capcut templates. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.